In this video, we will guide you on how to install Tangram light panels. In the package you will find 4 small triangles light panel and mounting plate, 1 middle triangle light panel and mounting plate, 2 large triangles light panel and mounting plate, 1 square light panel and mounting plate, 1 main controller, 1 power adapter and power link cable panel, link cable kits, adhesive tape plate kits, screw kits, 1 pattern album and 1 user manual. Before starting the installation, you can open the picture album and choose a pattern you want from the pattern album. You can use the light board to put it together on the desktop to determine whether you like the picture until you choose a favorite pattern. Choose a location for your Tangram light panels. You can measure or simply estimate if the space is large enough to accommodate the assembled Tangram light panels. Once you've chosen the perfect spot, it's time to start the installation process with the first step, attaching the mounting plate. For dust, uneven surfaces, wallpaper, ceiling, or extra security, use screws. For smooth, clean walls, use adhesive. To begin, separate the light panel from the mounting base. We will show you the adhesive installation. Remove the film and press the base firmly to the wall as designed. Hold 30 seconds for a secure bond. Repeat for all bases. Step 2. Connect the mounting plates. Pair up the mounting plate using the provided link cables. Make sure the metal strips on the cables face outwards. For a neat and tidy setup, after the cables are plugged in, you can snap the line clips into the cable clip, and then connect the power link cable to any of the mounting plates. Step 3. Attach the main controller. Peel off the protective backing from the controller's adhesive strip. Place the main controller box's link cable terminal on any of the bases you've already connected. Secure the main controller by firmly attaching it to the side of the chosen base. Step 4. Attach the light panels. Match the light panel with the corresponding mounting plate and press the light panel into place until it securely clicks onto the base. Step 5. Power up. Connect the power link cable to the power adapter and then connect the adapter to a standard AC outlet in your home. To unlock more features with your panels, set up a network for your light and add it to the Smart Life app. Go to the App Store or Google Play, search for Smart Life and download it. Once you've got the app installed, sign up and log in. We'll dive into connecting your light for a world of enhanced control and customization. Press and hold the power button on the controller for 5 seconds. The status light on the controller will start flashing blue rapidly. Back to the Smart Life app on your smartphone, tap the Add Device button. The app will automatically scan for nearby devices waiting to be connected. Tap on your light from the list of discovered devices. Enter your home's 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network name and password. Then the light will be bounded to your account. Find the pattern you selected. If you design them by yourself, you can complete the puzzle directly from the customization page. Next, you need to check whether the position of your light panel corresponds to the pattern on the app. Entering this step, the light panel will automatically light up. You need to click on the corresponding graphic on the pattern of the app until all the light panel positions are calibrated. Now you can start controlling your Tangram light through the app. Enjoy! If you have any questions, please contact us directly.